while I'm holding the camera. Please tell me if it's super shaky or anything. As Alex says, I'm too shaky to be a cameraman. Okay, so today we are picking up my new Model Y. I waited forever for this. Like when I saw the new Model 3, like, so I have a Cybertruck and I have a Plaid X and a Plaid S, and so Alex came to pick us up. We were playing paintball today, new Y. As soon as I saw the new 3, and I thought it was the nicest Tesla ever made, considering I've had all the other ones, I was like, wow, this is such a nice car. I was super happy because I knew they would transfer a lot of this over to the Y. It's a lot more usable for me because I like SUVs. So as soon as they made the notice that they were that you could put in a deposit for a launch edition, I got on the list, and today's pickup day.
Can't wait to see it. It'll be the first time seeing it as well.
Okay, let's see what happens here. They mean business. Enter.
Look at that.
Look at that. Someone clearballed the first one. It's wrapped. It's right wrapped. Let's not ride on somebody's Cybertruck. How about we don't do that? Dope, I like the back light. What's up, guys? Good, how are you?
Beautiful, just joining us?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
You're gonna see a lot of cool things.
Yeah, Thomas, we're gonna see all kinds of cool stuff, buddy.
You're gonna check it with security.
Sure.
Then you'll check it with the staff. You'll go inside, have fun, enjoy the experience. When you're done, come and check here. And
They'll deliver the car.
Delivery.
Cool.
Beautiful. Have fun.
Thanks. Come on, Thomas. Hello.
Welcome.
How are you?
I'm here just to check you in.
Uh-huh.
We're just gonna need to see your QR code and your ID.
Sure.
Then if you're interested, a factory tour, it's leaving in 10 minutes. So come check in.
Sure. Okay. Oh, hi. How are you guys?
QR code.
Oh, sure. Here.
ID, perfect. Can I help me scan it? Oh. Perfect.
Wow, they're having a big party over here. Look at the Tesla semi, buddy. We're gonna make you go on a factory tour, Alex. Do you have time or Michelle kill you? Guys! Yay! Let's go. Yeah.
That's your Tesla with key glasses?
Oh, sure. Thanks.
You want to pick a car?
Come on, red or blue, buddy. Wow, thank you. Thanks, guys. What's going on, man?
Congratulations on your purchase.
Thanks.
We have a factory tour for you.
Sure.
We have a racetrack that you guys can get on with somebody.
Okay.
If it's talking to driving down there, we have.
I'm really good. How are you? All
Wonderful. One for you, Al. One for you, sir.
right, thanks.
And then that's what VIP thing when you're to the factory tour.
Cool. Thanks, guys.
So we're gonna do. We have test drives.
Huh?
We want to do a test drive on our racetrack.
Uh,
It's through the tent where all the cars are lined up.
okay,
We're
cool.
doing a factory tour every 20 minutes.
Oh, okay.
320, 340.
Okay, cool.
And you'll be outside the gate.
All right, thanks. Here, let's go see if they got coffee. Thank you. Wow. Look at the wheels. Is that cool? That's a robo-taxi.
It's so cool.
That's pretty cool. I think I'd be, would you be creeped out sitting in one of those? You're like, there's no steering wheel, there's no brakes. It's just you in the car. Wild. I know, buddy, it doesn't have a steering wheel because it's a robotic taxi. It drives itself.
I'm the program manager and engineer on this vehicle, so if there's
Oh, sick.
anything you want to know, I'm not a salesperson, so
What would you say is the biggest difference between this and the older Model Y?
the biggest difference
Huh?
definitely is going to be the lighting, you know, the big one for me. Everything on the exterior is the lighting. The biggest challenge was not lighting, was just understanding what do you change on the vehicle and not make it worse, you know?
Ah.
Because Ford is the best-selling car in the world.
Yeah.
So it's like, that means people like it already. So how do you make people like it even more? Because there's one or two things you can make and then it doesn't sell well, you know. So the lighting was a challenge. Yeah, the rear one, glad how it turned up. You know, this largest light bar.
Yeah. What's different about that rear light bar?
What's different in terms of?
Yeah. Here, come here, buddy. Let's look.
What's unique about it?
Yeah. So I read something that it's the first time this has been done.
Yeah. So right now, like most of the light bar you get in the market is it's always direct light.
Yeah.
You know, so it's like the Porsche, the Hyundai car, it's like direct light bar.
Yeah.
With this one, what we've done is that we actually have the light. If you go and look down, the light actually is shining down.
Oh yeah.
Reflecting on this material. And then going rearward. Okay. So it still behave and do the same function.
Yeah.
Which is a tail light. But we're doing it by reflecting the light versus having direct light.
That's pretty cool.
And it's a one piece as well. So like a lot of the OEM would do it in 2 or 3 piece.
Yeah.
This one is like.
That's one piece, this whole thing.
Yeah, this whole thing is one piece.
Nice.
Hello. Good.
Alright, I'm buckle in.
Fun part of the job. Just get to just drive fast
Exactly.
in circles.
Ready?
Holy crap! Jesus Christ! Holy shit! The f
125.
Oh my god! I don't even know if I held my phone still or not.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, go for it.
3, 2, 1.
Man, whoever's flying that drone's doing a great job. Damn, man.
Here.
Oh, okay.
Enjoy your day.
Thanks, man. Oh my god.
How was it?
That was crazy. I cussed so much. I can't even stand up straight. I can't even walk straight. Dude, they go so fast. They go hella fast.
Oh, did you go for the ride?
Yeah.
They devastate you with a rider on the
Yeah, they did.
Hey, what's up, man?
How are you?
I'm good.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
Do you guys have a fun time there?
Yeah, it's cool. Very fun.
Here to pick up a car, right?
Yep.
See.
Chelsea, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. And you are? Thomas. Hi, Thomas. Nice to meet you. That one.
It's got to be the only one over there, right?
So go ahead and open up your app. We'll keep it open and we'll confirm the VINs just to make sure. Are you excited, Thomas?
Okay.
All right. I'll check physically. Here's your baby.
Sweet. That's exciting. What do you think, Thomas? It's good.
Wait till you get it.
Ah, super cool.
Welcome back.
Welcome.
We'll insert welcome back.
Yeah.
All right. And there you go. You're right there, ready to go. Yes, you have quite a few.
Yeah.
See your Cybertrucks. Love it.
Yeah.
What are you gonna name this one?
Ultra Cab.
Ultra Cab.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a meaning
okay.
behind that, but it'll be the Ultra Cab.
Okay.
Let's see.
There you go, Thomas. You want to get in the back seat or the front seat?
I think he's gonna hop in the back because he's.
He knows about that monitor, that rear monitor.
Oh, did you know this one has video games in the back? It's like Mommy's Model X. Right there, look.
Go ahead and feel free to check out.
Wow.
Now, did you get to test drive it yet?
No,
Oh, exciting!
no. What do you think the big difference between this and the older one is?
I mean, there's a lot of big differences, but you're going to feel it in that suspension immediately.
Ah.
And the much quieter cabin.
Nice.
And then there's like the littler things that I think don't get enough attention that I really, really am excited about. Like, it may seem small, but the fact that when I open the front, the Windex is not way over here, that I can fill up, you know, my windshield wiper fluid here.
Right there?
And the little drain pipe in the front so I can put ice in there and drain it.
You can use it as an ice chest
Use
now.
it as a cooler.
Nice.
Yeah.
I always wanted a crab feed tank, so I could like,
Oh,
I could
okay.
actually do that now.
All right, so you're getting like, I love it. The imagination is just going there. I'm on a long commute. Now, of course, all your included accessories are going to be in here. You've got your mobile connector,
Sure.
your rear, your front license plate mount.
Nobody puts those on.
Yeah, that's why we leave them off. It's up to you to put them on.
Unless you buy a Model S.
And then there's like the features here too. So you've got the power seats. And yeah, they go down, but it's the bringing them back up with just the button that makes it so much nicer.
That's pretty cool.
Again, it's the things that like affect your day-to-day experience.
Yeah, I
Life.
think of many times over where I have to reach back over and pull the Model X seats back up.
Yeah.
So that's cool.
And making sure that the, seatbelt's not in the way, that kind of thing.
Look, Thomas, you can ride here. You ride in there.
He's joking.
Oh, look, here, buddy. This thing folds up, so it's like an accordion.
All right, is there anything on the profile you'd like to set up today?
No, I think I'm okay. I'll probably go through and set it up. Oh, here, thanks.
And if you want, to get a better shot by like pulling it over, somewhere, it's up to you.
Sure. Thanks so much.
At your leisure. Is there anything else I can assist you with or help you with?
No, I'm super grateful for you. I really
You're so
appreciate it.
welcome, Joe.
Okay, first glance, this is way nicer than any of the other more expensive cars I own. Did you see it? Yeah. Look, did you hear the door close? Sorry. It sounds solid. Okay, I'm not picking on my other Teslas, but they don't sound like that when I close the door.
Nice.
Oh, it's got Alcantara dash too. I like the lights, the surround lights. Cybertruck has that too. Similar version of that. Wow. Okay, speed profile. I gotta go through and confirm all this stuff, Alex. Do we really want to record me doing that, or should I look for? Huh? Wait till tomorrow. Okay, so I won't set anything up.
Drive in
Thomas, are you excited about the new car?
Yeah.
You look very happy. You're already in here kicking it and stuff. Every other delivery experience I've ever had, you show up at Tesla and they're like, they literally are like, your car's in parking spot 26D. Go ahead and open the app on your phone and go get it over there. No one walks out to the car with you. No one. So this has been pretty cool. Someone was actually very, Okay, hang on, buddy. One sec. I'm just gonna look the car over and make sure it's not like painted a different color or something. Now we're doing an inspection. I love Tesla, but every one I've ever bought has had something wrong with it. So let me double check that. Thomas, you see anything wrong with it? Oh, look at this. This is Tesla going, "Dear PPF installers, we would like to annoy you." I'm sure there's some engineering function to that. To me, it just looks annoying to wrap. No loading deck. The trunk's a lot bigger now too. The bumper, see how it's disconnected?
I can't find some new songs on that car.
Yeah. Look at how he just hugs the paint with dust all over it. That's when you have kids, you quickly accept things like swirl marks in your car. They come from kids.
Can
Yeah, we can look what's under there, buddy. Here, let's open the frunk. Hang on, buddy. I'm going to open it right now. You know what's interesting about this is that this whole light bar thing, it's just a light bar. It's like the Cybertruck. The headlights are actually here. These are actually the headlights. Did you hear her? She said this has a drain in here, so you can just literally use this as an ice chest, and there's a drain. Yep. That's pretty cool. Oh, and the wiper fluid thing is right there instead of over there. Okay, watch your hands, buddy. I'm gonna close it. There's so many scratches on this car, but that's okay. Every car I've ever picked up all came the same way. Yeah, dope. Pretty happy with it. I was questioning my life choices. I was like, do I really need another Tesla? And then I was starting to feel a little bit sad for a second, just looking at them in the parking lot, but now looking at mine, I feel much better. It's actually cool. Good job.
Sounds good.
Sound system's loud. Thomas, don't turn it up again, please. Cool, Alex, you ready to do some videos with us tomorrow?
Yep.
Okay.
We'll have fun.
All right, thanks for doing delivery with me, Alex, and taking time away from your family. Thanks, Michelle.
Down.